A man stands at the entrance of an observatory, its walls barely visible under layers of snow and ice. This isn't just any observatory, and this isn't just any man. It's Robert Bage, one of the brave members of the Australasian Antarctic expedition, standing at the gateway to one of the most isolated astronomical observatories ever built, between 1911 and 1914. What kind of determination does it take to build and operate a scientific outpost in the coldest place on Earth? What secrets of the stars and skies were they uncovering in this frozen wasteland? Stay with me, and while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There are so many more stories of courage, adventure, and exploration waiting for you. The Australasian Antarctic expedition, led by Douglas Mawson, was an ambitious scientific mission to explore the unknown. But this wasn't just about mapping the land or studying wildlife. It was about unlocking the mysteries of the universe. The Astronomic Observatory, where Bage stood, was a key part of this mission. This small structure was a place where science met survival, a base where explorers battled the elements to study the stars, weather patterns, and the Earth's magnetic field. Robert Bage, an engineer and astronomer, was instrumental in constructing and maintaining this observatory. Building anything in Antarctica was no small feat. The extreme cold made materials brittle, tools hard to handle, and every step was a struggle against the wind and snow. The observatory had to be sturdy enough to withstand ferocious blizzards, yet precise enough for delicate scientific instruments. For Bage and his team, even setting up the equipment was an exercise in endurance. Once the observatory was operational, the real work began. The team used it to study the auroras, track weather systems, and map the stars in ways that had never been done in this part of the world. The data they gathered helped scientists understand more about the Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field, discoveries that were critical for navigation and understanding our planet's climate. But working in the observatory wasn't as simple as gazing at the skies. The freezing temperatures made it difficult to operate telescopes and other instruments. Bage and his team often worked in conditions where even breathing felt like a challenge. Their breath would freeze on their clothing, and their hands, numbed by the cold, would struggle to adjust the delicate instruments. Yet, they persisted, knowing that their work was contributing to the greater understanding of the world and beyond. Standing at the entrance of the observatory, Bage wasn't just a scientist. He was a symbol of human curiosity and resilience. The observatory itself, surrounded by endless snow and ice, was a beacon of knowledge in the most unlikely place. For the team, it was more than a building. It was proof that even in the harshest conditions, science could thrive. What discoveries did Bage and his team make in this frozen outpost? How did they overcome the unimaginable challenges of operating an observatory in such extreme conditions? The full story of their bravery and brilliance is one you won't want to miss. So make sure to subscribe, because there are so many more incredible tales of exploration and survival to uncover.